you looking for easy method to install Android apps on Tizen? Do you want to unblock apps from unknown sources? In this video, I will show you how to allow apps received from unknown sources on Tizen mobile phones in 5 easy steps. Come on up! Step number 1 is download old ACL and some related files. Go to description section for download links of the listed files. I'm repeating, this trick works only when you have old ACL 2.2 installed. It will not work on ACL 2.3. Until download completes, please consider subscribing. Step number 2 is extract the crack. Now go to my files and then device storage, downloads, click on the downloaded crack, extract. Now press on menu key, move, select, done, device storage, done. Step 2 is now complete. Step number 3 is install the crack. Open UCmini, downloads, swipe left 2 times, press back, click on crack ACL, long press on Indic keyboard, copy, back, apps, ACL, data, Android. Now system, app, long press on Indic keyboard, select delete, okay, back, long press on app folder, paste, back, user, media, crack ACL. Now long press on package installer, copy, back, apps, ACL, data, Android, system, app, long press on package installer, delete, okay, back, long press on app folder, paste, back, user, media, crack ACL, long press on setting, copy, back, apps, ACL, data, Android, system, private app, find settings, long press on settings, delete, okay, back, long press on private app, paste. This was the third step. You have now successfully completed step 3. Step number 4 is set up environment. Now go to my files, downloads, menu key, move, select Unlauncher, tap on done, device storage. Now find SHAREit, apps. Done. We have successfully completed step 4. Step 5. Allow unknown sources. This is very important step. Please watch until the end. Open SHAREit and click on the logo. Tap on the text. Again tap on the text. In the keyboard opens. Long press on comma in the keyboard. Now tap on text correction. Again personal dictionary. Just once. Personal dictionary, language and info. Go to security. Now click on unknown sources, then OK. The most important part comes here. Please have patience and continue. Now open SHAREit. Click on received. App. Install Knockout UI. Next, install. Open. Start. Swipe left to right to find all installed applications. Click on settings and scroll to find security. And we can see here unknown sources. Let's try clicking on disable. Again click to enable. Okay, you might be thinking, why is it important to install this launcher? Yes, it is important because whenever we restart the phone, unknown sources will be automatically disabled. For our convenience to open security settings, we will use this launcher to find unknown sources. That's all. You can now enjoy Android applications on your mobile. If you are new here, please subscribe my channel. Also like and share the video if it helped you. I'll see you in next video. Thanks for watching.